Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So here you see rejection from 200 EMA. It gave up. I placed call option because this is a continuation pattern and momentum is changing direction to uptrend after rejection from 200 EMA. This is the spinning top continuation candle, so I know definitely it will reach this level, at least it will close at this area. Also I place my trade call option. Market is doing panic, but I know definitely wants to give me winning trade. We have 20 seconds. You see strong bias entry. You see here is reversal pattern. I'll place put option. I place my trade put option here because I know definitely at least market sellers will enter because of this area. You see it's holding the price all the time, so I know definitely it will hold for at least one minute, and this candle close at this 100 EMA. That's why I place my trade put option. Market is doing panic. We have 16 seconds. Maybe on the acceleration time market will come down. You see market is doing panic. You see this is winning trade. I know definitely it will give me winning trade. So if I get higher entry point, I will place my trade put option again higher. Market is not going higher. Yes, I place my trade put option again here because this is pullback from 100 EMA. So I know definitely sellers must enter again. So that's why I place my trade, but market is doing panic. You see strong sellers entry from 20 EMA. From 100 EMA. And this is I will place put option again in the direction of market momentum. So I know definitely it will give me another winning trade because this is the reversal pattern and this is a pullback and momentum is down. So I know definitely sellers must enter. So that's why I place my trade put option. So we have 30 seconds. See strong sellers entry in the direction of market momentum. See so I took total 4 trades, all our winning trades in the direction of market momentum. You see my first trade here, because what I observe here, you see after a strong market momentum, you see market retrace back to key level here, 20 MA. Another strong market momentum, you see retrace back to here, no key level, so I know the next candle must reach key level before it continue. Anytime you see retracement, so you should expect the candle to reach any key level before it continues. So that's why here you see two candles, because these two candles reach the retracement area, the key point, the key level, so that's why market continues. But here, after two candle retracement, 1 2 retracement, so no key level here, no key level at all. So that's why I know in this 100 EMA market must reverse. So that's why after this 1 2 retracement candle, and this is the continuation candle, then I place my trade call option, and the next trade here, you see I place put option here. Why? Because this is the key level. You see here market reach key level, reverse. So here, sorry, this one, yes, this doji, here market close exactly at the key level, then it reverse, it will reverse. So that's why I get margin of safety, because sometimes it will create doji candle. So that's why I place my trade put option. Then the next, after doji, I know this is the evening star pattern, so I know definitely market will create evening star pattern here. That's why I place my trade put option. You see strong sellers entry. Then the last trade, I follow this after this evening star. I know definitely I should expect strong market momentum, so that's why I place my trade put option. You see market momentum is going down after this pattern. So that's, I took total 4 trades, all are winning trades. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.